Okay, and this is... So I just came back from Lowe's again, and I got these. To do some of my trolls, and I'm going to plant some cactuses and stuff in them. I'm not much of a flower person. Everything pretty much I plant normally dies. So I have high hopes for these, and if they do die, I'm just going to replace them with fake ones because I think they're really cute. So I will show you. It's really simple. I'll show you how to do it. This one, and it was kind of hard. Just make sure you pay attention to what plants you're going to get, because some of them are harder to get in than others. Like, look at this one. This one's like no joke. My finger got stuck to that. That's like, I don't even know how I'm gonna plant that one. So anyway, I'm gonna do this one, and it's pretty easy. We're gonna take off this hair. Some of them are completely hollow, like I think this one is, and other ones have the hair on a bubble, and this is all closed off. My husband actually sawed these off for me this morning, and I will show you a clip right here of him doing it. Okay, so my husband cut these ones off. I'm going to take this little guy's hair off, and that one actually pulled off pretty easy. 90s toy, right? So we're going to need a little bit of thin gravel. I just got this actually from my driveway. You just want little pea gravel, like really small gravel, just for the drainage for the water. And we're going to stick it in there, and for this one, probably about his legs, maybe about up to here, fill with gravel. Aspen's going to work on this pink one, and I'm going to get some dirt actually for in my big guy. So, okay, so I'm going to fill up some of mine with just regular dirt. I just got some out of my yard actually earlier. We rototilled for a garden. So this is kind of going to get a little bit messy. I'm not neat. I try to be, but I'm definitely not. So last time I put too much in here because I want to put as much roots as I can in there. That's what Aspen told me. He's planted a lot of Boy Scouts and stuff. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to say that that's all I'm going to put in there, and about up to here. So I think I'm going to use this aloe plant because I think he'll look better, yeah, with that. And this is pretty dry, so I don't know how. It's just hard to get in here without hurting the plant. So I'm going to take things out. Just loosen it a little bit. Oh, this one's actually a lot looser than the other one. Some of them were really hard. And break up, I guess you can't even see, and just break up some of the roots lightly. And you don't want to pack this solid with dirt, just loosely. And I don't know if this dirt's better than my dirt or what, so we'll just mix it 50-50. Okay, I think that's pretty good. You want to see where you want your plant when it lands, when you plant it, so it looks like his hair. So I'm just going to shove that all in. And this is what he looks like so far. He's a little bit dirty, but it's in there pretty loose until the roots reattach, I guess. So hopefully this holds up. If you want to know how these keep growing, follow me on Snapchat. I will Snapchat them and let you know here, I guess, in a couple weeks and see if they're still alive. So yeah, so I got 5 done, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more plants to do. And Aspen has been working at this troll for a while, and he still can't get this hair out. Like, this is like no joke. He's been using scissors, knives, like definitely not safe. Oh my god.
Wait, stop recording. This is way too hard. Those feet.
Oh my god. What, you're gonna break the table? Oh, finally.
Oh, it's not even allowed.
Oh, his poor hair. Alright, you work with that.